ChatGPT 4 has been announced. 4 things that it can do that will make you a superhuman. First and fourth one is my personal favorite. So first one is that ChatGPT 4 is more accurate and logical than GPT 3.5. Fun fact, in almost every exam it faced, it was among the 90th percentile. That is the top 10% in all of those exams, right from US bar exams to language and even calculus tests. So you can use ChatGPT 4 to help you with your studies. Second one is a special feature in ChatGPT 4 where you can configure the AI to mimic a certain type of behavior. For example, you can ask ChatGPT to behave like a tax expert and you can feed him your tax report and it will solve it for you. GPT-4 can take 25,000 words of input at a time where there was a limit to 3,000 words only in GPT 3.5. So now you can feed an entire PDF into ChatGPT and ask it to analyze it just for you. And the fourth, which is the biggest feature in GPT-4, is that now you can input even images into the AI, which will change the game for everyone. For example, we all know ChatGPT is good at writing code, but what about I give it a rough sketch of the website that I want to build and it gives me the entire code in a snap? Yes, normal text recognition from images, these are things of past. AI can now do much more. And even more use cases are going to come up as more and more people use it. So do comment what would you use your ChatGPT for, and for more content like this, do follow us.